Okay, while in the previous video clips 4 and 5 we have presented a case in which you did have access to your advertising partner site to inject the proper code into the header, let's talk about the case in which probably will be most of the cases of the advertisers you're going to be working with, a case in which you do not have access to your advertiser partner's administrative dashboard for injecting the code. In that case, you will proceed as it's written right here. You copy the block of content between code and /code and save it as track partner name.js and place it in your ATR subfolder on your site. So let's click copy. I'm going to insert it again in a simple text editor, doing the same replacement for your partner domain, presenting the same site as an example, replacing your partner domain with computers howto. Then once it's all replaced, I'm going to click save. I just made a test folder on the desktop, but you're free to save it wherever you wish. I'm going to name it trk like track computers howto.js. Now, due to security reasons, I will not present how the FTP connection was opened up, but suffice to say that in your favorite text editor that has FTP connection capabilities, or a simple FTP editor like FileZilla, FTP connection manager, whatever you're using for your FTP connections, on one side of the panels you open up the folder from your desktop in which, or wherever it is you're on your computer, in which you saved the previously saved tracker file, and on the other panel you'll open up on your FTP connection on your servers the modules ATR folder, and you will simply drag it over, or however you proceed to copy the file into your server's ATR folder. Okay, now once this copying has been done, you will give your advertiser, for instance, copy this small part of code and replace again the name with whatever your advertising snippet has been named to, like track computers howto.js. Now the beautiful thing is that even though in this case you will only give your advertiser this one single line of code to be inserted into their site, and you're free to pass this on to them via an email or direct Facebook messaging or whatever you're using to communicate with them, even though they will insert this single line of script into their site's header, the results will be the same. So let's presume that you've forwarded them that piece of code, and what they will need to do, go to their site and inject that single line of code into their header. Injecting this single line of code, however, has a major significantly improved effect on your marketing efforts, because now you can go back to your server, and once they've saved the injected code into their site, even though you will be able to modify in any way you wish your own tracking script served from your server, by inserting into it specific snippets from Facebook, from AdWords, from Twitter, from whatever social media marketing or ad serving agency you wish. A lot of these agencies are offering a piece of so-called pixel code that you can inject. Your partner will no longer have to modify anything on their site. The snippets will be loaded automatically. So that is a huge improvement over the previous case in which you injected the entire code here.